Volkswagen Group's first half operating profit rose over 10% to $10 billion. This was driven by sales of higher margin sports utility cars and a jump in demand for Porsches. Higher demand for VW, Porsche and Skoda cars helped to offset a drop in Audi sales, the car maker said. Volkswagen confirmed its outlook for the year and said its operating return on sales rose to 7.2%, up from 6.8% in the year earlier period. Ford's second quarter earnings have fallen short of market expectations. Restructuring costs in Europe and South America dragged down profits. America's second largest car maker posted $148 million net profit in Q2, down from $1.1 billion a year earlier. Ford's ongoing restructuring includes cutting costs and overhauling its product lineup in key markets like China and Europe. Ford has also slashed thousands of jobs this year. It's investing $11 billion over the next 3 years in electric and hybrid vehicles. Shares fell as much as 7% in after-hours trade. Also missing financial targets in Q2 was Tesla, despite record deliveries of its electric vehicles. Net loss came in at $408 million for the period. That's a loss of $2.31 per share. Revenue hit $6.3 billion, below Wall Street expectations. Tesla has also pushed back its target timeline to Q4. It says it will only be able to break even this quarter rather than post a profit. That announcement came with the news that its chief technology officer and the pioneer of its electric batteries is stepping down. Shares fell more than 11% after hours and extended losses after the announcement about J.B. Straubel. Toyota Motor will invest $600 million in Chinese ride-hailing giant Didi and a new joint venture. The cash is part of an agreement to expand the Japanese carmaker's collaboration with Didi in China. Toyota says the new joint venture will include its local partnership with Guangzhou Automobile Group. The world's largest brewer, Anheuser-Busch InBev, has beat earnings expectations in Q2. Beer sales grew at their fastest pace in 5 years. Volumes rose 2.1% year-on-year in Q2, lifted by Latin America, Europe and Africa. Q2 earnings before EBITDA rose by 9.4% on a like-for-like basis to about $5.9 billion. AB InBev makes Budweiser, Corona and Stella Artois, and it seems consumers are shifting to higher-priced beers. Nokia has dialed in a surprise second quarter profit because of higher demand. Q2 revenue rose 7% from a year ago to $6.3 billion, driven by growth in North America. This beat analyst forecasts of $6 billion. The Finnish telecom maker has also maintained its profit outlook. It now expects slight market growth for 2019.